Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amelia G, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all a dip powder set that I received from Amazon by the brand PrettyDiva. So let's get into it. So first of all, I don't remember the last time I used dip powder, so we're about to learn how to do dip powders together. So inside the package you get a manual on how to apply it. Then you receive 7 jars that are colors, and then 1 jar that's like a bottle of snowflakes, so accents if you want to use those. So I knew that I was going to use some type of a color, so I pulled out my clear dip powder, and they don't give you the liquid, so I pulled out my liquids as well. And I'm going to use my peel base to go on my nails because I did not know how long I was going to keep these on. So we're just going to apply the peel base, and then we're going to let that dry, and once that dries, then we're going to go ahead and proceed with the dipping process. So now I'm just choosing my colors, and I knew I did not want to do like a festive Christmas or New Year's because we were past that now. I was unwell when I received the package and I was not able to do my nails, so we moved forward. And so now I'm just applying the dip powder, the base liquid for the dip powder, and I'm going to do 2 coats of this. So let's just proceed to watch because I was remembering how to do dip powders again. And now we're going to take the clear and encapsulate the dip powder so that when I start to do my filing, I won't lose the color from the dip powder. And you see that I am skipping over the middle finger is because I actually need to go back and do a second coat of the glitter. So I did not feel like going back and doing all of that editing, so I was like, the people that watch will understand, so thank you all for understanding. So now I'm taking the activator and I'm putting it on top of the dip powders. Now the activator is going to cause the dip powders to harden, so I'm able to proceed to file. I could not get that out for anything. It was like brain fart. Okay, it's not. Okay, it is. Just work with me, guys. So here I am now applying the second coat of the glitter. See, I knew it was coming. It was just I didn't know when it was coming. But again, actually, I'm not even applying the glitter. I'm applying the, you know what? I'm gonna be quiet so y'all can just keep watching. So right here, I take my electric file. Now, if you don't have an electric file, you can definitely use a hand file. And then after I finish filing, I take my gel base coat and my non-cleansing top coat, and I apply on top of the nails so I can have that nice glossy shine, because that's what you want after you have filed everything and made it nice and smooth. You want to have everything looking nice and glossy, if you prefer glossy. Now if you want to do a matte, you can do a matte, but I prefer a glossy look. Finish applying the top coat, I then let that cure for 60 seconds in my UV LED lamp, and after it's finished I then admire my nails, obviously. Then I proceed with adding my cuticle oil. I rub that in nice and good, and then here's a completed look. Hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to listen to Diva. Bye!
Click subscribe and turn on notifications to give me a huge thumbs up.